Elastic strength. Preponderance of training an athlete is pretty overwhelming and exhausting. Please etch this word elastic strength into your system. If you want to have a podium finish as an athlete, or if you want, as a coach, you want to produce medal winners, elastic strength is the way to go. You need to train all exercises through the full range of motion. Plyometrics and Olympic weightlifting is the way to go. What are the three things which is required to run quicker and faster from point A to point B? Stride length, stride frequency, and ground contact time. Stride frequency is not that easily trainable. So most of the coaches will spend a lot of time in working in stride length and ground contact time. And what do you do for that? If you look at Carl Lewis, he took about 43 strides to run 100 meters, and Usain Bolt took about 41 strides to run his 100 meters. But the most important element you need to work on is the ground contact time and stride length. When you get stronger, you're able to propel forward faster, you're able to jump higher faster. And also, over a period of time, if you start working on your plyometrics and Olympic weightlifting, the speed of movement is increased dramatically. Remember, if you train slow, you become slow. If you train fast, you become fast. And it's just not training fast, it's also training fast with a particular purpose. And what is the purpose here? When you do plyometrics, you're working on ground contact time. You want to minimize the ground contact time. At the same time, you want to get stronger in your leaps and bounds. And how do you do that? By introducing Olympic weightlifting and full range of motion exercises like squats and split squats and Bulgarian split squats and stuff like that. And all these type of exercises are going to help you to get that elusive split second to run faster. And if you're a jumper or a sprinter, your ground contact time and your stride length is going to be the key factors which is going to take you to that elusive podium finish. Tendons, like muscles, play a major role in your elastic strength. Tendons are like your spring units in the body. It takes many years to develop that elastic musculoskeletal tendinous strength. It takes many years, and tendons play a major role. And tendons are like your spring units in the body, and tendons play a role in leaping and springing forward or upward. Please remember that when you do all these type of training, your tendons as well get trained, and an athlete with superior tendon strength always wins. Please remember, elastic strength is the strength which is the most important strength when preparing an athlete, and that is the difference between a winner and not so much of a winner.